Welcome sa all-day shabu and buffet. So notice guys, parang 2 bay areas, no? So this one is for shabu-shabu. Ito naman po yung kanilang buffet. Imagine guys, for the buffet, they have more than 11 different kinds of dishes that you can choose from. So mostly Koreans. I think I saw a sisig, parang nandito siya. They also have pizza, mga ganyan. And then on the other side, dito naman kinukuha yung para sa mga shabu-shabu natin. So let's check it out. So dito naman yung kanilang mga meat section. So we have pork, beef, and of course, seafood. Now for the seafood, meron tayong mussels, we have crabs, and syempre, meron tayong mga squid. Let's put some just to taste. Syempre, meron din tayong mga crab. Ang gaganda pa ng mga quality ng mga crabs nila, bro.
Meron din tayong mga pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mo version ng salad available dito. Meron din tayong fruits, desserts, and syempre, ang mga ingredients for our hot pot ay yung kanilang mga meatballs.
Alright, so habang hinihintay natin maluto yung ating hot pot or yung ating shabu-shabu, let's talk about the price and yung mga oras kung kailan nagte-take effect yung mga prices. And just to add guys, meron tayo ditong Bldg. This is served twice per table. Anyway, so what do you have during lunchtime? So you can either go for the buffet, which is 499 pesos. Yung shabu plus buffet, 599 pesos.
So with the price, add ka lang ng 100 pesos, may shabu-shabu ka na, unlimited pa.
Yes, sir. Now for the dinner, again, meron tayong buffet, which is 599 pesos. Yung shabu and buffet naman ay 699 pesos. So the dinner starts at 4 p.m. up until 11 p.m. For the rest of the days, meaning 11 a.m. up until 4 p.m., lunch price tayo.
Mas mura.
Yes.
Kain na tayo.
Alright. I think this is good para sa ating shabu-shabu. So, kain na tayo.
This is it!
Wow! So, ayan guys, finally, the hot pot is cooking. Actually, pwede na to.
Hot pot is ready na.
Yes, sir.
Unahin na natin yung hot pot.
Ooh. Right after you are satisfied with your soup, mga savory, ayan guys, so meron po silang cafe dito. The drinks are available, meron ding some pastries that you can enjoy as sweets. So tikman natin yung kanilang kape. Another place for you to check out, this is all-day shabu and buffet.
This is a 24-hour hot pot restaurant and buffet na makikita dito sa may Philam Friendship Highway, Koreatown. So anytime, all day, makakapag-hot pot na kayo.
Exactly guys, for as low as 499 pesos, you can enjoy all the dishes, unlimited until you drop. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye guys.